Hey guys, today I'm going to try to make a gumbo flat. You drink this, you wash it to make a gumbo flat, then you need a cup, then you need glue and Smarties. So first, let's get started. First, we need to take this all off. Well, there you go. Now, let's take this off and we fill it with Smarties. Okay, now fill another one. There we go. This again to make it more extra, so it can be I know that's a drink. We still need a little more. Let's put this back on it. It's still good. Oh, it's hard to get the aiming because this one is really small. There we go. Now, we fill all of them up. This one's long. See? Now let's close the cap. There we go. Now let's get this. And now I'm going to glue this here. Correct. Now let's put it on top here instead. There we go. There we go, on churro sticks now, since it has a lot there. Ready to one flip. There we go. I found another Smartie just Smartie. Needs to stick good, yeah? Look, there we go. Now fold in. That's it, it's all done. Bye! Look, it's saying bye. Look at my hand.